Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you some of the activities that I did with my toddler for teaching her letter C.
All C are done. Oh, it's another C.
My channel is all about kids activities, especially their educational activities. So if you are interested in these kinds of activities, then please consider subscribing my channel. And if you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you for subscribing. Let's get started. First activity is a hunt for letter C activity. For arranging this fun and easy activity, I buried some foam letters in a plastic container of puff rice. To make this activity little bit challenging activity for my toddler, I mixed letters A, B and C in a bin. Also, I did this activity with both of my kids, so I needed to have some more letters other than C. As my toddler was learning letter C, I gave her a task for searching letter C and let my preschooler go for letter A and B's.
You have to find out B and you have to find out C. Find C for me. Good job, Dada. Can I have C?
A. Now can I find the A?
That's the C. Thank you.
I found A.
Can you give me another C? Oh, that's a C. Where is C? Red C. Oh yeah.
I did this activity using puff rice, but you can also do this activity with rice, beans and sand. Next activity was a pasting activity. For this activity, I simply drew a big C shape on a cardboard. Then I cut some C letter shapes on the craft paper and let my toddler paste all those C letter shapes on a big C shape. It was a very fun and engaging activity for her, and she absolutely loved this cut and paste type of activity. This type of activities are a great way to interact with the alphabets in a hands-on learning type of environment. Her main interest was only in using glue, but as I gave her some C letters to glue it was easily turned into a learning and educational activity. Key teaching factor in this activity is a repetition, because this activity provides lot of opportunity to see, hear and feel C letter over and over again.
Here, put it here.
From the beginning, I invited her into this activity, and that is from applying glue on cardboard, white paper on the cardboard, and also ultimately the most important, putting C letters on the cardboard. It was amazing to see a great deal of concentration by her while doing this activity. Next activity is a simple matching activity. For this activity, I use flashcard and letters. Here my toddler had to match letters on the flashcards with the foam and plastic letters. The main reason for doing matching activities is that while doing matching activities, toddlers have to notice, sort and match, which is an important skill to develop, because it can bring them an opportunity for mastering the various learning skills such as observation, retention, demonstration and feedback reception.
C. Yeah, where is C here? Where is Good job.
For the next activity, I decided to go for some type of crafty and creative activity. Therefore, I decided to draw C for cupcake shape for both of my kids. Then we cut some different colored craft paper for making some fancy colored sprinkles for decorating our cupcakes, and that was the main attraction of this activity. Next step was putting colorful sprinkles on the cupcake. My toddler wasn't actually successful in putting tons of sprinkles on the cupcake. Maybe that was because of the paper was too thin for her to handle. I think we should have gone for a thicker paper instead of the thinner so that she could do it. So we decided to dump all the little pieces on the glue and then clear off unstuck one. Also, we decided to color our cupcake base with different colors. My toddler totally enjoys coloring, and therefore the coloring activity provided us more opportunity and more time to spend around letter C. At the end, our cupcake looked super cute. This activity was super successful, and this activity kept my little ones engaged and busy for a long time. I have foam alphabet play mat, and for the next activity I have used letter C from the mat. I took out the letter C from the mat and gave my daughter some empty milk bottle caps so that she can arrange those caps in a C letter shape.
What are you making? C.
If you don't have alphabet mat at your home, then you can simply cut the C shape out of cardboard.
Let's put it here. You put it here.
Adding some variation to the same activity, I have given some pom-pom balls to my toddler so that she can simply put those pom-pom balls into the milk bottle caps. While doing this activity, she started matching colors of the pom-pom ball with the colors of the milk bottle caps, and immediately it turned into a color matching activity. Adding some variation to the same activity, I have given some C for cars to my toddler so that she can arrange those cars on a C in a C shape, and as well as if she decides she can drive those cars, or she can be just play around with the cars on a C shape.
Wow, wow, wow. C for car. That's a police car. Yay, that's C for car. How are you doing?
My son wanted to make a little C book for his sister, and despite knowing that it is going to be a big time consuming project, I decided to go for it. So for making this book, we first watched a bunch of YouTube videos, and then after that we came up with the consensus that we are going to make cow, clock, C for cereal, and cup and cat. So you all can imagine it was a really big project, but I just went for it because he wanted to do something for his sister, and moreover this activity was a good drawing lesson for him. So apart from reading, as you all can see, I have tried to use this book as an interactive book for her by giving her letter C to match on the every beginning letter C.
Cow.
If you try any of these activities with your kids, then please let me know your experience in a comment section below. Thank you for watching, and see you next time with next video.